Hi everybody! I'm going to show you how to really quickly make sure the images that you are using are copyright free, copyright friendly. So it's happened a lot where we want to find a picture or we want to work with a picture and we're not sure if it is copyrighted or if it belongs to someone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I am a Fightin' Texas Aggie, whoop, and I'm going to search for the Texas A&M logo, Texas A&M, just straight in Google search. I'm going to go to images. So this is showing me all of the images that have to do with Texas A&M, and there's no way of knowing what is copyrighted and what isn't. So I'm going to go to Tools, Usage Rights, and then labeled for non-commercial reuse. So this is going to drastically change the type of images that I have and what I'm available to use. But I can see right here, here's a logo that is copyright free that I can use for whatever I want to do. And a lot of these pictures are generally pretty good. If I wanted to show something else, so maybe Houston State University, you can keep searching and these settings will stay here. Let's say you wanted the Milky Way. You can still get some really good pictures, and we're still making sure that they are available to use. If you don't find anything in Google that you like, two sources that I'm really a big fan of are unsplash.com. This is one of my favorites. I get a lot of my backgrounds from here. They have some beautiful photos. Everything is freely usable. There's always an option to give credit to the person that you're taking a picture or that you're using the picture from. And there is also Pixabay. I love Pixabay because when I want something simple like clip art or some other pictures, maybe I couldn't find anything in Google or at Unsplash, this is another awesome resource. So those are some really quick resources and a way to make sure that the pictures that you're using or the images you're using are copyright free. Hope that helps. Bye, have a great day.